Good morning guys, today I'm going to show you how to make paper tubes for crafting so that you can make coasters or do weaving with them, make wreaths, baskets, all sorts else. So what you need to get going is you need a magazine or a newspaper. You need a skewer, standard skewer you buy from Tesco's or Co-op. You also need Pritt stick. Pritt stick's strong enough to do the job, but if you haven't got Pritt stick hand, regular PVA glue is also good. Just don't go too heavy-handed on it when gluing the rolled paper up at the end, which I'll show you in a moment. So let's get started. Let's start with the magazine. So what we want to do is just tear a page out of the magazine, get rid of the rest. Obviously you can tear several out at a time, it's easier, but for purposes of demonstration. Then we fold it in half. Doesn't have to be exact, but close as possible. Then we just tear down the middle. Doesn't have to be an exact tear. It's all going to get rolled up, so you're not going to see any imperfections like here. If you're a bit of a perfectionist, you can cut it with the scissors. It's entirely up to you. I've got scissors here. So what we do is find a corner like so and aim for a very small angle between the skewer and the paper. We're going to go for as least of the minimal angle as possible, and just roll the paper over the skewer. Just roll it backwards and forwards until it bites on the skewer and automatically goes under. That's it. So that's that. And then just turn the paper. Twist the paper. Eventually it'll bite onto the skewer tight, so you can twist the skewer and just roll it up. And then with the glue, as I say, you can use PVA glue. I've got cheap glue sticks from B&M stores. I think they were £1 or £2 for 4. Just a couple of rubs of the glue on the corner, and just continue to roll it until it reaches the stem of the rolled paper. And then simply just twist your paper to your right and pull the skewer out, and then you have one rolled tube. So we'll do that again. So minimum angle. The reason why we're doing the minimum angle is because I'll show you. If I have a wide angle like so, and I'll roll the paper. Let's see if I can do it on there. I'll have to lift it up. Right, so yeah, the reason why we do that is if I roll this now, we're still going to get a rolled tube, so that's no problem at all. But you will notice once I've completed it, so there's one rolled tube with the minimum angle, and that's with a much bigger angle. So obviously you're going to use or need to make more tubes for the project you're doing, as you can see. So there's quite a difference there between the tube sizes. So let's just unravel that one. We're not going to use that one as it is. We'll get a nicer angle on that. So again, minimum angle. Just roll the corner backwards and forwards until the skewer bites onto the paper, and then just twist. Keep twisting until we get to the top. And a bit of glue, 1, 2, 3. Three's a magic number. And there we go. Skewer number 2. So that's it, guys. That's how to make a paper skewer. Follow my videos. I'll be showing you other craft projects and ideas that you can use making the. You can make using these tubes. So please subscribe. Leave any comments, any questions, or anything like that in the comment section, and I look forward to making more videos for you. Thank you.